Thukuru uyu ukoretwo ugitwarithio na mbere kwa ihinda iraihu ndi thirikari ndikoretwo ikiwikirira na njira nene undu uria umicungereirie gwikururia na gikiro kinene. Indi riu thukuru uyu ni utanyite gukorwo kiarahuka na gikiro kinene na kuria umuthi wambatiririo gikiro mihang'o iria itongorirwo ni Minista wa githomo Prof George Magoha. Kwambatirio gwa gikiro kia thukuru uyu ni undu ugukorwo ukimiarahura na njira nene. Indi ona kuria uguo atongoria maroiga no ugumirwo ni mathina matiganite maria mangienda makorwo makirorwo na kinyi. Minista Magoha ni atugiritie urugamiriri wa thukuru uyu ni undu wa waragania hari muhuthirire wa kigina kiria thukuru uyu wamukirite kuma kuri thirikari, akiongerera na kuuga ni makuongerera kigina kiingi makiria.
Since the president is interested in this institution, we must and we shall provide money and ensure that the building that has been started is completed, and that one that we are seeing is completed. Listen, and I also want to thank the county government for working with us, because you took over all the others. So that if I want to hire, or if a child wants to start his own, he knows what to do.
Ihinda-ini o riu Magoha ni ateteire mutaratara mweru wa githomo wa CBC, akiuga ni uraguna na muoroto waguo ni gutigirira ugi wa murutwo ni waramatwo na njira iria yagiriire.
What is happening is that you may give so many people certificates to go out with, and then they are not employable. The president wants us to unskill these people. That is why we have even changed the syllabus to be called CBC. So we must be training for our own employment. Don't train to be unemployed. That's what the former curriculum used to do. You produced graduates who can do nothing unless you belong to the first 10%.
Mwena-ini wake Gavana Francis Kimemia ni acokeirie ngatho thirikari nene ni undu wa gutacukia ikinya riri kuona undu uyu ni ukwarahura ikiro cia githomo na njira nene kaunti-ini ino.
Unless the minister supports, even in terms of moving the gazette notice or the cabinet memo. So that's why we want to appreciate Professor Magoha for that support, the support you are giving to the president in improving quality of education across the country and also in Nyandarua County.
Oho ningi Kimemia ni oritie thirikari gwitikira kuiga kigina kingi kiingi niguo kuhotithia thukuru ino kugura indo itiganite cia guthomithia arutwo, akiongerera na kuuga ni thirikari ya kaunti ndigutigwo na thutha hari kuheana uteithio wayo.
Pesa mingi zaidi tujenge hizo mahostel, tuweke hizo infrastructure. If you can increase the capitation for this university, ongeze pesa mingi zaidi ije hapa. Mimi nitashikia kama county governor, will support you, we work with you, we work with the chairman and the principal here and the management to ensure kwamba whatever the county needs to do to make sure this national polytechnic becomes a center of excellence, I will be able to support and we shall proceed. You can get my assurance.
Handu-ini ya Kameme TV kuma kaunti-ini ya Nyandarua, ni nani njitagwo Francis Mwangi wa Wawira.